If you already make videos on YouTube and you want to convert them to shorts or TikTok videos, and you need a software to maybe crop your video. In this video I'm going to show you how to crop your video for YouTube shorts or TikTok. So if you already have a video that is 16:9 aspect ratio, which is for standard YouTube videos, I'm going to show you how to crop it. So what you have to do is download this software called Video Pro Converter. Go to videos and drag and drop your video in the timeline. Click on crop. Here you're going to select enable crop. After clicking on enable crop, you're going to see the present free. This is where you crop the video the way you want, but we want the size that is perfect for TikTok and YouTube shorts. So we're going to scroll down and look for 9:16. This is the preview. This is how it's going to look. So what you have to do now is you're going to just have in mind that you're going to lose some content, which is normal. So what you have to do now is to adjust the crop where you want it to be. When you're happy with your settings, you're going to click done. After that, you select high quality engine and run. This is how the video looks like after cropping it. Now you can post it to your TikTok or YouTube shorts, maybe Facebook or any social platform that supports the portrait aspect ratio. That'll be all for this video. See you guys in the next one.